Hello and welcome back. I needed to talk to you because you might have noticed that my vlogs have shortened quite a bit in the last few times, and I think I need to give you some explanation. So I'm trying to do that now. I have put my camera on and I'm knitting here, as you can see, on the last bits of the Fragmentation Shawl, and it will be done soon. I'm having some trouble with anxiety lately, and a year ago I started to do something about it. I have had depression in the past, and I know the signs, and I saw them coming on, and I don't want to go back to that dark place, so I have decided to get some help. And in order to have that help, I need to devote some time to it, of course, and I do. I have had talks with several therapists, and I am now currently into EMDR therapy, which is helping quite a bit, but it exhausts me too. And I'm so done with feeling inadequate and having those anxieties. And my mother is very instrumental in that, because she also suffers from those same types of things, and she's always very instrumental in, okay, I have this, what do I do about it? So for me, this is as well, I have this, what do I do about it? And so this is it, really. I'm working on myself as well as I'm working on projects. And I hope you understand, and maybe you can relate. Maybe you suffer from this as well, and maybe we can talk about it. So there is no more taboo about it. It's done. It's finally done. And Luna thought also, that's a nice place for me to hang out. The minute I put it there, she was there. She absolutely loves it. I think it's the wool that she recognizes somehow, the smell. It's very playful. She's also instrumental in keeping me sane, as well as the rest of my family is. Isn't she adorable? And so I leave you with this. Take care of yourself. Really do that. Have a creative week, and see you next time. Bye.